Assalamu alaikum, pretty listener. This is Mohd Prantwale. Today I am gonna tell you now in this video the importance of YouTube. As far as it goes, I will share with you in this video. You know that YouTube is a video platform which is important for learn many things. Even if you want to solve your many problems, you can very easily solve these problems. So I believe that YouTube not just a video platform but also this automation one kind of problem solve automation. We can use this technology very easily by using our mobile phone. In this generation every people has a smartphone and we can use this automation very easily by using automation. That's why most of the people we like to use YouTube to learn many things. Also, when I when I face any problem, that time at first I would like to go on the YouTube and search there. Rapidly, I can solve my problem and I can take many suggestions about those problems. Also, if you want to solve your problem, such as you cannot speak in English, but you want to learn speaking English. How can you learn without spend any money? You can learn in English without spend any money by using YouTube videos, because YouTube video has lots of English learning videos. Also, when I couldn't speak in English, that time I searched on the YouTube. How can I learn speaking English? That time lots of video came in front of me and I took suggestion from those videos, and for as a result you can see I can speak in English without face any kinds of problem, without hesitation, because I used YouTube automation every day and solve my problem. Actually, there has not only just learning English videos, but also if you want to watch news video, podcast, many speech, blog, traveling, and another videos, you can watch those videos for learn something. Actually, I use YouTube just for learn something. I don't want to spend there my too much valuable time. Just when I need to learn something, I go there and I watch those videos. Actually, every day I I listen native English speaker speech from there. You know that to learn English I focused most on listening. That's why I believe listening is very crucial for learning English. That's why every day I watch lots of video for native English speakers. So to sum up, if you want to learn English without spend money, you can use YouTube. Not only learn English but also if you want to learn many extracurricular activity, you can learn there very easily. And you need just our internet. I know that your phone and in our country all place at this moment has available Wi-Fi and internet. That's why you can use that automation very easily. So no more today, inshallah next day I will share with you another topic, another video, another place. Mercy, pray for me.